ah, ah, I walked through shadows deep and cold, felt the weight of 1,000 stones, but still you held me close. Your whispers calm my raging sea. Your light broke through my darkest dreams. You never let me go. Oh, your mercy never ends. Like rivers it transcends every broken road I've been. Your love, it covers me again. When doubt had caught its place in me, and hope was just a memory, your grace became my